What's up, y'all? Welcome to this week's edition of Shop Talk. We are now at a remote location at the Los Angeles Convention Center for the 2022 LA Auto Show in the Kenthia Hall South Lobby, the custom garage, baby. That's where it's going down. We are at our SS Motorsports booth, which you see behind me. I'm gonna give you a little walkthrough of the success that the crew put on to get all these lovely projects here, all right? We're gonna start off. As soon as you walk in to the South Hall lobby, this is what you are greeted by. Rolls-Royce drop head, Rari 59 Caddy Barrettes, all right? Give you a little walkthrough of each car, what we done to it. So this Caddy, the team put on a full air ride system, ride tech suspension, airlift management. As y'all already know, the 63 Caddy, owned by Nico. This is a full one-off resto from paint, motor, air suspension, interior, custom stereo. We'll keep moving. We got the 70 Chevelle right here, which we ended up chroming out the wheels, which are already on the vehicle, custom painting the bare calipers, full air ride, fuel injection. So that thing's rolling. That's a numbers matching car as well. All right. Oh, she's making her debut right here. Yeah, you see, yeah, like, all right. With no wheels right now, but she's still here. The 96 Impala, this is a full frame off resto. Powder coated frame, custom paint, custom interior, custom motor, wheels, brakes, everything's done to that one. Josh will get you some good shots of that. I'm very proud of that. Right here we have Adrian's B-Rock Z. Right behind us, LS swapped, Umi suspension, custom intake, shit, custom everything on this one. Custom engine bay. Oh shit, we got Gilbert right here. Everybody say what's up. Don't be the homie Gilbert from Black Diamond Wheels over here. Make sure to check out his booth right behind us as well. You know we always rep Black Diamonds. Right over here we have the OBS truck, all right? This is Blake's Chalk OBS, all right? The team killed it on this to get this one out right here. Full one-off custom on this thing. Everything's back from powder coat, polish, paint. So this thing's looking lovely. A nice display to kind of set up the booth different to see a raw form with this, all right? Keep moving. We got Eric over here. Alanez, the homies. Look how he's doing something. Say what up. Here you go, all right? So it's live down here in the custom garage hall. Right here. Oh, who the hell is that? Slow down, homie. Shit got his girlfriend's fucking tank top on. Keep that. Throw that shit, man. Wherever you are, I'm sorry. Anyway, here's Big Peter's, AKA Sexual Chocolate. All right. Flexing, okay? We got Dirt Directs Razor right here with that custom paint. 2022 BMW color. Josh will get some close-up footage of that. And we keep moving, we keep moving. Oh, but wait, there's more, all right? We got homie Alex's 1LE Camaro, all right? Oh shit, the homie Rocket Chicano, what's up, baby? How you doing?
My culture.
Oh shit, okay, I see you, I see you. Oh damn, all right. That's Rocket Chicano's booth. They have the most lowriders that I've seen at the LA Auto Show currently. I'll make sure you get the little dog and shit. Look at that motherfucker. Yeah. Get that nice little winter coat on. Alex's LT1. I said 1LE, my bad. LT1 Camaro. Pro Charge. What else? Boston wheels, BC Racing, coilovers, satin wrap, everything done to that thing. We got Samson's. Oh, my bad, I'm interrupting this dude. You good, you good? We got Samson's SRT Challenger, which is back from the dead. Everybody knows that this one was the one that was destroyed by the towing company, but as you see in our previous videos, we know how to tow cars, so we got it here to the show, flawless looking. Wrapped in this new color, front end looking seamless how it's supposed to. New updated some carbon on it, so it's lovely. Big homie Chris's Mercedes EQS, lowered on 4G Auto wheels. Did a complete blackout on this one. Oh, almost ran this fucking pole. God damn. Big homie Vlad's CT5V Blackwing, which I was very pleased to say that Cadillac Corporate came down on Thursday to actually talk about this vehicle, taking note of all the carbon fiber in the front end, asking us, because right now they said they have a shortage of, I guess, carbon builders in Detroit or something like that. So hopefully we'll be able to collab with them on some of the builds they have right now. So hope we cross my finger for that one. Keep moving. And then the drop head. All right, this one we lowered it. It was already on the wheels. We dropped it, custom painted the calipers, rolled the fenders. This thing's just beautiful as is. This lovely Rari that we completed for the homie Money Mo, which you see right behind us. He's gonna making a debut because basically his whole front fleet is his. Lovely collection. This is lowered on Boston wheels, custom exhaust, custom tune, custom painted calipers, just looking straight classy, all right? We gotta talk about the Rolls-Royce Cullinan we had to pull up, all right? This is actually a spec Cullinan. We actually lowered this. Boston wheels, custom painted calipers. Didn't have to do too much to it, but peep the inside of this joint right here. Look at that, look at that. See? We're gonna have to pop that open. Oh, fuck, I forgot the goddamn bottle for real. Sorry, I was talking about something else. Anyway. All right, so for those that do come here, make sure to shout us out on Instagram, follow us on YouTube, shout out to your friends and family, all that, all right? Make sure to stop by, say what's up to the crew. All right, the rest of the team will be here later today and on Sunday. Make sure, subscribe, like, build that YouTube up, help us get that following up, right? Appreciate all y'all. Stay tuned, hope to see you here.
Okay. Bros, got my red top on gauge. Kiddo in the front, got the pistol on suede. Whirl in the back, and he rolling up the blade. About to hit the shaft, we can knock us a bait. Had the flash on the nigga, then he skirted out. That's that LA shit, you know what I'm talking about. Nigga, I'm a rep where I'm from, ain't no bitching out. Make him lean like a cholo when his gun is out. My real vatos with the biz, I'm at their family's house. Sipping on Coronas on their couch when I'm thugging out. Flip phone got helicopter. So what's this you talking about? It really mean nothing when I'm all they talk about. I really get dough when that's something you not about. And me being broke, that is something I won't allow. Times getting hard, got the world in my hands. European wheels headed back to the brand. Bros. Just me and my niggas.